Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to the settings button, so we can open the advanced camera options. At the first place here we have the watermark, so let's pick it. Now we can see that we have the timestamp watermark, the device and also the custom, which is locked. By using these buttons from the right we can turn on these two, as you can see. We can add just one of these or both at the same time, and the custom is unlocked when we turn on the device one, so they are connected. Now when we tap here, we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset and save. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see these watermarks at the real one. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo with the watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. From the left we have Mi 11 Lite device watermark with hard reset, the custom one, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them or need just one of this, we have to go back to the camera, to the right corner, then to the left settings, to the watermark, and pick here whatever we need or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.